now we're going to go over how to create a new speaker group in the Home app. And so to do so, you're first going to want to go and tap on the plus button in the top left-hand corner. And then you're going to want to click on Create Speaker Group. And from here, you're going to want to select all of the speakers that you have, all your smart speakers, Nest Hubs, Nest Homes, whatever they may be, throughout your home, and connect them together. Also, you can see if you do have a Chromecast connected to a TV, you can also group that in as well, and it'll use the speakers the TV speakers to play sound. But we're going to go ahead and select these. We're just going to select the hub and the kitchen speaker. And you can go ahead and name it whatever you want. You can name it home group like it is. You can name it like, maybe if these are all the speakers on the downstairs floor, you can name them the downstairs or like first floor speakers or something like that. It depends on where they are and how you want it to be saved. Just know you want to make sure it's a name that you're gonna know what it is for, because when you go and cast something from an app or anything like that, first floor is actually going to show up as an option to cast to. So I'm going to go ahead and click save. And now if we go all the way back, we can actually scroll all the way to the bottom to where it says groups here. And you can actually see I have a couple different groups here. And if I go ahead and tap on the one we just made called first floor, I can adjust the volume of those speakers to what I want. If I tap here, I can control the individual sounds. And if I hit the settings, I can rename it to something different if I want to. I can also choose devices and add more over time, or I can delete this group if I want to. So why you might want to create a speaker group is because if you have multiple Google Home or Nest Home speakers throughout your house and you want to play that same song as one song across multiple of your Nest Home speakers, you're going to want to go ahead and create a speaker group ahead of time to do so. And you can tell one of the Nest Homes, your Google Assistant, to play music on a specific home group. So if I told Google to play my classic rock playlist on the first floor, it would go ahead and play it on both the hub and the kitchen room speaker simultaneously, in sync, the same song, everything like that. And then I can go and adjust the volume either in the app here or by voice. That is up to you. So that's why you might want to create speaker groups. And as I mentioned before, if you're casting from a music app and you hit that cast button, you'll actually see first floor will now appear as an option to cast music to. And if you select that, again, it's going to play the music that you have put in that speaker group. So you can't start playing a song on one speaker and then group kind of the rooms on the fly. You do have to do it beforehand and then specify which speaker group you want the music to play on. And speakers can be in multiple different groups. So like I said before, I actually have a downstairs one that has all of my downstairs speakers in it. I have the upstairs group that has all of the speakers in my second floor grouped in it. And then I have home group, which actually has all of them in there. So whether it's the first floor or whatever, and I see I'm actually missing one, so I'll go ahead and add it. But as you can see, now I have all of them also in this group, while some are in different groups. It doesn't matter. They can be multiple groups or one group. It's however you want to set it up. You have that freedom. So that's how and why you might want to go set up speaker groups. Hopefully that helps.